Hey everyone, it's Sanfisha. Welcome back to our art corner. Today, we're diving into the depths of creativity as we learn to draw and color one of the ocean's most fascinating creatures, the mighty shark. In this video, we'll go step by step, from sketching the shark's body to adding those fearsome teeth and giving life to its surroundings with vibrant colors. Now, let's take a moment to observe how our shark friend enjoys the vast sea. This will help us capture its essence in our drawing. Start by outlining the body, sleek and powerful. Now, let's add those sharp teeth, giving our shark that intimidating look. Moving on to the gills, a crucial detail for our underwater friend. Sketch out the tail, ensuring it has that signature shape. Don't forget the eye, the window to the soul of our shark. Finish up the remaining details, connecting everything to form our majestic creature. Time to bring our shark to life. Choose your favorite colors, and let's make our shark stand out in the vast blue sea. If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more art adventures. Your support keeps this creative community thriving. Voila! We've created our very own shark masterpiece. I hope you had a fantastic time drawing with me today. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.